Okay, hi everyone. Here we are with another game from the Yandex competition. Let me just check the mics on. This is going to be very embarrassing. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, the Little Mouse Adventure, which is actually a text adventure, which makes a change because I think most of them are arcade or RPG. So let's delve in and see what it looks like. So once upon a time there was a little mouse. She lived in a hole which she dug herself under the roots of a sprawling oak. She had everything in the hole. The seeds were tasty, the crumbs of cheese, and even the sausage bits. Okay. A sturdy door led into the hole to hide from a terrible cat. One day, a mischievous boy, the owner of the cat, caught a poor mouse while she was sleeping and put her in a cage. Now you, needs to figure out how to get out. Okay. You see a dream about something pleasant and tasty. It is a time to wake up. Alright, well, it's in green, so you probably have to wake up. You wake up, and for a long time you cannot understand where you are. Soon you realise that it is a big mouse cage. It will be better to look around before planning an escape operation. What now? Okay, inventory. No. Look. At the sight of such a luxury, you almost change your mind to escape, but come to your senses and begin decisive actions. Ooh. Okay, so you're sitting in the centre of your cage. On the left side you see a feeder, on the right is a bowl, and in front of you is a running wheel. Behind yourself you notice the exit door. So have a look at the door. Yeah, absolutely impregnable. That's probably where we escaped from. So let's just get the paper. If you can use X paper. Yeah, okay. On the side you see a feeder. So let's look at the feeder. Various foods. So look at the bowl. Oh, more milk. Okay, so we can't get the milk. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, they do like wheels, don't they, if they're locked in a cage? I'm sure they do. It's a bowl. Oh, hang on, we're in the centre of your cage, and it's in yellow. It's in green. Hang on, so if we're in the centre of the cage, then we can probably go west and east and north and south. So exit door behind to the south. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. You stay near the door. This is the way to get out from the cage. You want to run away, yeah? So look at the door. Yeah, open the ball. Go north, back north. East. So that should take us to the bowl. There is splashing, tasty looking milk. So, yeah, to the small bowl. Small bowl, some milk. You really want to drink, but it may make sense to go, yeah, okay, drink milk. You enjoy the milk, but suddenly you pay attention to a strange taste. It seems it has long gone bad. Unfortunately, it's too late. Would you like another go? Okay. we didn't really do a lot on that, so it's quite easy to retrace. In fact, I think we only got the paper. So if we get the paper, oh, wake up, get paper, yeast. So I'll get the milk rather than actually drink it because it's obviously sour. You pour milk on the cheek, and cheek slowly but surely swells. Oh yeah, because they carry food in the cheeks, don't they? Cool, like that. Okay, so if we go back to the centre and to the west, which is west left, that should be the feeder. So, oh, several cockroaches run past you with a business-like look, like that. That's good how the intermediate stuff or the background kind of, you know, description stuff happening comes up in yellow, like that. So if we look at the feed, peas, I doubt if that works because it's no. So get feed, exam feed. No, I think I tried that. Okay, so we go back to the centre and we go north to the wheel. So I scrambled into the wheel with difficulty and began to unwind kilometres, but oh horror, a cat came running to the noise. Even if the cat is outside and cannot get you, but you still feel uneasy, of course you are stopping. Okay, so there's a cat there. It's watching us. So if a cat, climb cage, actually climb. So if I put gibberish in, that'll tell us what message. Ah, okay, so it understands climb. No, it doesn't. Oh, it does it understand cage? Because it's you can't do that. That combination, it seems to understand, but not at that point. Okay, forget that for the moment. So the wheel. Yeah, okay, so the cat's... We've got the cat's attention now, so... Is that good or is that bad? Feed. Dig feed. Dig. No, is it dig? Because the paper is everywhere. Yeah, you're right. So feed on. I suppose the feed is on the floor. So if we look at the floor, dig floor. It's a cage. It's not going to work, is it? I'm tempted because normally we might get it. I quite like it so far. It's just trying to visualise what being a mouse is like. Oh, let's check the door again. No, that's probably the exit eventually. Bowl. Don't know. Shame I'm not doing a live broadcast so I can get ideas from people. Move feed. Have a look at the feed. Does it take it as food? Nope. Evil cat. That's what I'm carrying. Paper. Milk. Paper, milk. Did I examine the cage here? here. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a day. See, I'm not sure how long this adventure is, whether it's actually, you know, lots of puzzles or 2, or, you know, I don't want to obviously spoil it, but it's worth playing. I'll definitely play after I've finished recording, just see you know, see how it goes. But I do like it. It's kind of one of those easy ones you can just pile into and just probably do it in 1 or 2 sittings. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It's a bit different. With a text adventure, it's quite difficult to get people interested. But anyway, alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.